Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, I told you about the pollution. Pollution is any undesirable change in the environment, uh, in the air, water, or soil due to addition or accumulation of any substance which is not present in the atmosphere or, uh, if present, increasing concentration of that substance is known as pollution. Pollution is a serious problem of modern time. And I already told you about waste. Waste is any unwanted or undesired material or substance resulting from industrial, commercial, mining, and agriculture operation. So I also classified the various categories of waste. Waste is classified into two types. Number one is biodegradable waste and second one is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are those substances which can be broken down by the microorganism. For example, vegetable peel, paper, leaf, etc. And second one is non-biodegradable waste which cannot be broken down by microorganism. Example, plastic, electronic waste, etc. So what is pollution? I told you already. Pollution is the addition of any substance in air, water, or land which deteriorates the natural quality of the environment, which is harmful for the air, water, or soil. So pollution is the process, and the substance which causes pollution is known as pollutant. So what are pollutants? Pollutant is any such constituent which causes pollution. For example, lead is a pollutant which causes air pollution. Now we were talking about types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, radiation pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution are the main 5 major type of pollution. Next topic was air pollution. Air pollution means degradation of air quality which harmfully affect the living organism and as well as certain object. Means any undesirable change in air caused by any harmful substance like lead, dust, etc. And types of air pollution are, it is divided into two types. Gaseous pollution is caused by harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and second one is particulate pollution caused by particles, for example dust. Now I am talking about sources of air pollution. They are classified into two types. Number one, natural sources. For example, burning volcanoes. These pollutants are beyond human control. And second one is man-made, means anthropogenic sources. Example, automobiles, industries. They are under human control. Various kind of vehicles like motor car, truck, scooter, they are mostly running on the petrol and diesel, and these exhaust given out contain 3 main gaseous pollutants: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide. So how we can control these things? By efficient engines, good quality of automobile fuels, lead free petrol, and by use of CNG. Full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. What is industrial air pollution? Pollution caused by industries like due to drug manufacturers, oil refineries. The chief industries gases pollutants are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide again. The smoke released by the factory chimney into the air contain lot of particulate pollutants also. Stone drilling and mining pose serious health problems, serious health hazard. And what is smog? Smoke plus fog. The smoke released from various sources may get mixed with dust particle and small drops of fog to produce what that is known as smog. Smog is very harmful to plants as well as for humans. It causes asthma and allergy in humans. Next one is garbage. Garbage mainly consists of items like vegetable peels and fruits, and on burning the garbage releases carbon dioxide and some harmful other gases too. The smoke given out adds to the particulate air pollutants. And last one is brick kilns. Brick kilns are fire heated enclosure for the making construction bricks. ब्रिक्स बनाते हैं जब, तो क्या करते हैं, रॉ मटेरियल ले लेते हैं, उसमें मड ले लेते हैं और मड का एक ढेर सा बना लेते हैं, हीप बना लेते हैं. उसके बाद उसमें उसको हाई टेम्परेचर पे रखते हैं. ठीक है ना. कुछ दिनों के लिए इसको हाई टेम्परेचर पे रख के बर्निंग फ्लेम में छोड़ देते हैं. तो उससे क्या होगा, जो स्मोक होगी अंदर वो एक तो होल से रिलीज़ होती रहती है. जब हम ओपन करते हैं इसको तो ब्रिक्स तो बन जाती हैं, लेकिन देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऐश ऑल्सो. द वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऐश एंड ब्रोकन पीस ब्रिक बिट्स. तो ये काफ़ी नुकसानदायक होता है. लॉट ऑफ स्मोक एंड हीट गिवन आउट are the pollutants. Now today we will start water pollution.